Students, we know area vector is a scalar quantity, but in some problems it is treated as vector quantity. So we know simply that area is taken, suppose this is a square, so a area we take a square, and similarly for a circle we take pi r square like this. But area vector, when in some problems when we considered area as a vector, then area vector represented by an arrow drawn perpendicular to the surface. Okay, suppose we take a 2D surface, and that is also called open surface. So in open surface, suppose we consider coordinates x, y and z axis, and we consider here an area like this. Okay, so for this area, direction of area vector will be normally outward like this. This is positive y direction, or it may be negative y direction. So it should always be normally outward, normally like this or like this. So it may have two direction, but in 3D figure, 3D that is closed surface. For example, we take a cube like this. This is a closed surface. In this closed surface, suppose this area vector will be in this direction, normally outward. For this area vector, normally outward. For this, normally outward like this, and for this, normally outward. Similarly, for a cylinder, for a cylinder, this is area and normally area vector this. For this area vector in this direction, for this area vector this, and for this surface area vector. So it has only one direction, that is normally outward in closed surface, and in free surface it may have two direction but always normally outward. So this is area vector. Suppose we take a sphere like this, then for this again normally outward, and that passes through the center, normally outward and then passes through the center. This is area vector. So area vector represented by an arrow drawn perpendicular to the surface. Thank you.